Welcome to Intelligence Gateway. What are the different types of data analytics? There are several different types of data analytics, each with its own focus and methods. The main types of data analytics are 1. Descriptive analytics. This type of analytics involves analyzing historical data to gain insights into past events or trends. It is used to summarize and describe what has happened in the past, and can be used to identify patterns, relationships, and anomalies in the data. Descriptive analytics is typically used to answer questions such as what happened or what is the current status. 2. Diagnostic analytics. This type of analytics goes beyond descriptive analytics to explain why something happened. It involves analyzing data to identify the root causes of a particular event or outcome, and can help to identify opportunities for improvement or optimization. Diagnostic analytics is typically used to answer questions such as why did it happen or what caused the problem. 3. Predictive analytics. This type of analytics involves using statistical and machine learning models to analyze historical data and make predictions about future events or outcomes. Predictive analytics is used to forecast future trends, identify potential risks or opportunities, and optimize decision-making. It is typically used to answer questions such as what is likely to happen or what is the probability of a particular outcome. 4. Prescriptive analytics. This type of analytics involves using optimization and simulation techniques to recommend specific actions or decisions based on the results of predictive analytics. It can help to identify the best course of action to achieve a particular goal, and can be used to optimize business processes or resource allocation. Prescriptive analytics is typically used to answer questions such as what should we do or what is the best course of action. Each of these types of analytics can be used independently or in combination to gain insights and make informed decisions based on data. The choice of which type of analytics to use depends on the nature of the problem, the available data, and the desired outcome. What is descriptive analytics? Descriptive analytics is a type of data analytics that focuses on summarizing and describing historical data to gain insights into past events or trends. It involves analyzing data to answer questions such as what happened or what is the current status. Descriptive analytics typically uses basic statistical measures such as mean, median, mode, and standard deviation to summarize the data and identify patterns or anomalies. It can also involve data visualization techniques such as charts, graphs, and dashboards to make the data easier to understand and interpret. Descriptive analytics is useful for gaining a high-level understanding of a particular phenomenon or situation, and can help to identify areas for further analysis or investigation. For example, descriptive analytics can be used to analyze sales data to identify trends in customer behavior, or to analyze website traffic data to identify which pages are most popular. Descriptive analytics is often the first step in the data analytics process, as it provides a foundation for more advanced types of analytics such as diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics. By understanding what has happened in the past, organizations can begin to identify opportunities for improvement, optimize processes, and make more informed decisions based on data. What is diagnostic analytics? Diagnostic analytics is a type of data analytics that goes beyond descriptive analytics to explain why something happened. It involves analyzing data to identify the root causes of a particular event or outcome, and can help identify improvement or optimization opportunities. Diagnostic analytics typically involves a deeper level of analysis than descriptive analytics, and may use more advanced statistical methods such as regression analysis, correlation analysis, or hypothesis testing to identify relationships between variables and determine causality. It may also involve exploring multiple datasets and sources to identify potential factors that contributed to the event or outcome. Diagnostic analytics is useful for identifying the underlying reasons for a particular trend or pattern, and can help organizations to make more informed decisions about how to address the issue. For example, diagnostic analytics can be used to analyze customer complaints to identify common issues and determine the root causes, or to analyze production data to identify factors that may be impacting product quality. Diagnostic analytics is an important step in the data analytics process, as it can help organizations to understand the factors that are driving their performance and identify areas for improvement. By identifying the root causes of a particular issue, organizations can begin to implement targeted interventions or strategies to address the issue and optimize their operations. What is prescriptive analytics? Prescriptive analytics is a type of data analytics that uses optimization and simulation techniques to recommend specific actions or decisions based on the results of predictive analytics. It can help to identify the best course of action to achieve a particular goal and can be used to optimize business processes or resource allocation. Prescriptive analytics typically involves the use of mathematical models to simulate different scenarios and predict the outcomes of different decisions or actions. It may also involve the use of machine learning algorithms to automatically identify the best course of action based on the available data and desired outcome. Prescriptive analytics is useful for making informed decisions in complex and uncertain environments and can help organizations to optimize their operations and resources. For example, prescriptive analytics can be used to optimize supply chain logistics, determine the optimal staffing levels for a call center, or identify the best portfolio of investments for a financial portfolio. Prescriptive analytics is the most advanced type of data analytics and requires a significant amount of data and computational power to be effective. However, it can provide significant value to organizations by identifying opportunities for optimization and helping to make more informed decisions based on data. What is predictive analytics? Predictive analytics is a type of data analytics that uses statistical and machine learning algorithms to analyze historical data and make predictions about future events or trends. It involves identifying patterns and relationships in data to make informed forecasts or predictions, and can help organizations to anticipate future outcomes and make better decisions based on data. Predictive analytics typically involves the use of machine learning algorithms to analyze large datasets and identify patterns that may be indicative of future events or trends. This can involve a variety of techniques, including regression analysis, decision trees, neural networks, and clustering algorithms. Once a predictive model has been developed, it can be used to make forecasts or predictions about future events, such as customer behavior, market trends, or product demand. Predictive analytics is useful for a wide range of applications, including fraud detection, risk assessment, marketing, and supply chain optimization. For example, predictive analytics can be used to identify which customers are most likely to churn, or to predict which products are likely to be popular in the coming months. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.